based non-profit Vision Aid Ka, which has earned a reputation for both its innovative service to the visually impaired and for organizing magnificent dance productions as fundraisers in the Boston area. It recently organized a special dance show, Samarpit, in the Rogers Center for the Arts in North Andover. और इस मौके पर की गई announcement about the Vision Aid Challenge, an exciting new program that will help it scale and reach out to more visually impaired students across India through its new online platform, the Vision Aid Online Academy.
Vision Aid announced the Vision Aid Challenge, an exciting new program that will help it scale and reach more visually impaired students across India through its new online platform, the Vision Aid Online Academy. और इस announcement के लिए प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया गया एक स्पेशल डांस इवेंट को.
Provide all the infrastructure and know-how and open a Vision Aid Center in your town, village or community. So you can become the creator of the Vision Aid Center and we invite you to join us in this Vision Aid Challenge. For more information, please see our website www.visionaid.com.
ब्यूटीफुल डांस परफॉर्मेंसेस के साथ इस इवेंट की हाईलाइट रहे दी चीफ गेस्ट प्रशांत पालकुर्ती, जिन्होंने व्यक्त किए इस इनिशिएटिव से जुड़े हुए अपने विचार.
12 million people are incapacitated not because of any physical disability but because they lack the technology or tools that are rather simple and available commonly here. In the Indian culture, 12 million incapacitated people means there are another 12 million caregivers who have the competence but who are simply unable to do their jobs because they have to take care of these people. So India is losing around 24 million people to something which is curable by very simple things. I personally am involved in this because my father used to be an ophthalmic surgeon, and we used to lose our father to weekends where he used to go to remote parts of the country, Dr. Kripasagar Palakurti. He used to go to villages and perform surgeries, and over his lifetime he's done around 16,000 of these surgeries. So 16,000 people can see better because of him. And to me it's a very personal thing that, blindness, and it's a great cause. I'll tell you one more impressive thing here. There are over 700 people here. As a community, we've come forward to fix this issue. This may be a moment in the history of our diaspora in the United States where, a lot of us are coming together. It's a very wonderful time to be here.
Vision Aid 2015 annual event and fundraiser में participate किया New England area based residents and other supporters of Indian origin who came forward to help Vision Aid open up several new Vision Aid centers in their hometowns or villages in India.
For giving us a chance to present our views here, and Vision Aid, as you heard from our previous directors, is an area that is very dear to us because we work in areas where both in India and in the USA. In India right now we have got 3 centers in Vizag, in Bangalore, and in Calcutta, West Bengal. And what we do there is we have training centers for those who are visually impaired, help them to lead life independence and with dignity by giving them access to technology and programs that
there's a special meaning for the many Indian Americans who participated in this event, as India is home to the largest population of blind individuals in the world. The World Health Organization estimates that over 90% of the world's visually impaired people live in developing countries like India. इसीलिए इस इनिशिएटिव के जरिए कम्युनिटी कर रही है कोशिश विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड लोगों की हेल्प करने और अपनों की बेहतरी की।
Well, community